Hey everyone, 2015 Jeep Wrangler. One of the easiest things that you can replace is the purge valve on it. This is a standard part from the local parts store. Right here is the purge valve. All you gotta do is pop the safety clip off, squeeze the connector, pull it off, and then you can actually pull this up out of its holder. Pull the safety clip out right there and squeeze it. Get that off. Do the same for the bottom one. Pull the safety clip up, squeeze it, pull it off. Get your new one, slide it into position. Push that bottom one in first, slide one in on the side, push the safety clips back on, then slide it back down over its holder. Once you get the holder on there, take your electrical connector, slide it back on. Once you hear it click, go ahead and lock it in, and you've just replaced your purge valve on your 2015 Jeep Wrangler. Hopefully this video helped someone out today. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button for me, like it, share it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Stay tuned for more videos, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching again, everyone.